Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, which of the following statement is not true? A. The statement of cash flows provides details as to how the cash account changed during a period. B. The statement of cash flows does not replace the statement of comprehensive income. C. The statement of cash flows sheds some light on a company's ability to generate income in the future. D. The statement of cash flows includes transactions that are not already reflected in the balance sheet and statement of comprehensive income. And the answer of the question is the statement that is not true is D. The statement of cash flows include transactions that are not already reflected in the balance sheet and statement of comprehensive income. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.